Hey, what is going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing amazing. If you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys are going to be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like. It's going to help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and everyone for you to see around the world. All right. And I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and other multiple streams of income as well. Let's get right into it, guys. Guys, we have one of the amazing opportunities that I've been a part of for over 60 plus days. And I must say, this is a complete game changer in the real estate space. If you are in the real estate, pay close attention. If you're not, pay close attention. If you're looking to make real passive income, pay close attention, okay? We have properties that earns us monthly passive cash flow, all right? Daily cash flow. I'm gonna say, I take that back, not monthly, daily cash flow, 5 days a week, eliminating Saturdays and Sundays. We don't earn profits. We earn Monday through Friday. All right. And things are being tokenized. This is the future. Future is now, guys, where things is making a big shift in the real estate space. You no longer need to be dealing with tenants, being a landlord, dealing with too much responsibilities. Over here at E-Estate, they take care of all the heavy lifting. All right. Your job is just to invest. So with this property here, as you guys can see, you can earn 0.32 to 0.52% daily, 5 days a week. This is our Miami property. I was there. All right. Back in the summertime, I was there. And I must say, I love the property. All right. I was not at I was just in the building where the property is because the property is being occupied by, tenants. Right. And it was a good feeling to be at that property knowing that I'm earning passive income every single day, 5 days a week. Right. And this is a complex here. Look how beautiful this property is, guys. Right. This is a high rise. This is on the 39th floor property. Okay, look at this. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful property here. You can see, look how that view is just a breath of fresh air. I saw this building as well, a breath of fresh air, which I like. A breath of fresh air. So you click here, look at the view right here. This is out in Miami. Okay, this is immaculate property here. This is immaculate property. And then we have the apartments. The apartments property, right? This is actually out in Seattle. But let me go back to the Miami, right? I forgot to say, guys, you can get started for as low as $10, and it gives you the breakdown on the calculator. I'm sorry, calculator. This is a profit calculator. So if you put $10, as you can see, this is what you will earn. Your break-even point is 9 months. Usually in the real estate game, in investing in real estate, the average is around 3 to 5 years. But over here, it's around. Over here is around in the months versus years, right? And then in the traditional real estate, you have to have big capital. Keep that in mind, guys. You have to have big capital to be able to invest in the property, to even get started, right? So over here, all the heavy lifting is done, right? So if you put $100 in the Miami property, you earn 42 cents a day. 1,000, $88.20 a month per year. 1,050. Your break-even point is 11 months, and per day is $4.20 per day, right? the lake house. The minimum investment is $117. I actually own a share of this property, right, which is amazing. This is the lake house, right? The minimum investment is 117. Uh, no, this is apartments. I'm sorry. The lake house, the minimum investment is 250. If you put 2,500, you earn 238 a month, $11.38 a day, which is amazing. Okay, and then we have uh, this property here called the house. The minimum investment for this property is $480. If you was to add another 4,800, that's $26 a day, $564 a month. No, a month. Yeah, and 6,700, 6,720, and your break even point is 8 months. And they tell you, they break it down to you right clear as day, so you know where your break even point, where you make your money back within 8 months. All right. So, and then also too, 88,627 people purchase this. So once this fills up, guys, this property will be sold out. The cap limit is 174,000 people. Okay. And this is my favorite property of all. And I actually own a share of this property, guys, right? And I'm earned very good income from this property. The minimum investment is $3,120. Look at this right here. Look at this immaculate property here. Look at this. A phenomenal, nice view. This is actually in the Los Angeles area as a high-end property. Okay. Look at this. Amazing property here, guys. Look at this beautiful view. Beautiful view. And I highly recommend. Look at this pool area. This is about 50 photos, guys. Right? Once you become a member, right, you will be able to view these properties, right, before you even purchase. You'll be able to view it. So I would highly recommend going to the link in the description right below this video. Watch the full presentation so you get a clear understanding on how this works and how this can be beneficial for you and your family. And also, having the golden opportunity here at your fingertips to build long-term generational wealth, which is amazing. Okay. And then we have the tourism property. As you can see, the tourism property sold out, right? This was one of the first properties, right? Sold out within 4 months, guys. Sold out within 4 months. And the minimum investment at that time was $6,740, right? And you earn a monthly cash flow of $934 monthly, $44.48 per day, which is amazing, right? So this is a beautiful part about this amazing opportunity. All right. Beautiful part of this amazing opportunity, you're earning passive income. Now, what I'm going to be doing, guys, I'm going to be doing, this is my assets, right? I'm very transparent, right? So, as you can see, I have invested $3,915.66, earned $249 in total real estate income, which is phenomenal, guys. Right? And this is a property I earned. Look, from the villa, I earned $119. The house property, I earned $99 so far. Right? The apartments property, I earned $21.04. And the Miami property, I earned $9.74. So I average around $20 a day, which is phenomenal. Right? In your normal traditional REITs, even the REIT stocks, real estate investment trusts, like in the stock market, you're not earning nowhere near this, right? You have to invest 2 or 3 times the amount of money to be able to earn this amount of money. Okay, all right. So, which is amazing. So, get started. You can get started for as low as $10, right? If you want to make a decent income, right, extra $20 a day, you need to invest around this price point, right? The ideal traditional way you want to do it, or to make a really good, a good decent income, right? At least 1,000 or more, right? At least 1,000 or more to make a, okay income. But if you want to make really decent income, monthly cash flow as well, this is the ideal, right? This is the ideal, and then you can withdraw your profits daily, right? You're gonna see clear as day what I'm about to do. I'm about to withdraw my profits, right? What I do is I go to here, I go to e-wallet, right? I go to e-wallet, right? And then from e-wallet now, when you do a withdrawal, you select the withdrawal amount, right? I already have my withdrawal wallet address, all right? And then what I do is this. I enter the amount that I want to enter, $62.95. And there is a withdrawal fee of 1%, which is phenomenal. I love it. Right? $62.95, right? And there's look at the fee, guys. 63 cents. Most other traditional opportunities out there is usually 5%, 3%, 10% withdrawal fee. Over here at eEstate, you are able to pay only 1%, 1% withdrawal fee, which is phenomenal, right? That's a complete game changer in itself. All right. So we're gonna enter. I have to enter my security for confidentiality. I will be covering this up as well. Covering this up. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm withdrawing $62.95, right? I'm gonna hit confirm withdrawal. Boom, withdrawal. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait $62.95. They took $62.95 I withdraw, right? And then minus 0.063. So I should receive let me see, hold on for a second, guys. $62.32. $62.32 I should receive right here in my decentralized wallet, known as one of my favorite wallets, Exodus, right? We just hit the withdrawal. We just wait a few moments, my withdrawal to hit my wallet, which is amazing, right? Very easy, successful withdrawal, which is cool, and I love it, and you get to, it's very transparent with this amazing opportunity. You when you invest in this opportunity, you're getting real assets that is making you passive income every single day. Every single day is making you real passive income, guys. All right, which is phenomenal, of this amazing opportunity. So bear that in mind. You have an opportunity that is life changing, that can earn you a passive income. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I just received my withdrawal. You see it clear as day. Fast speed withdrawals, less than a couple of minutes, right? Receive my $62.32 of my withdrawal. And this is profit, guys. Profit, little bits of commissions, but clear as day. We have a real opportunity. You don't have to wait 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours of a withdrawal. Within a couple of minutes, you see it's live on screen that I received my withdrawal of $62.32, which is phenomenal, right? Like I just said, minus that 63 cents, $62.32, clear as day, received right in my decentralized wallet. Now, guys, is now the time to take massive action. Go to the link right below the description of this video and watch the full webinar so you can get an understanding on how it works and how this can be beneficial for you and your family, and be on your way going to a new year, a new chapter, right? And building financial freedom. All right. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to follow, like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.